Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arshad and you are watching Unlock Sport YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to unlock iPhone XaMax without computer, without passcode, without any third-party software. So guys, if you are facing this problem, keep watching the video until and follow all steps. So guys, let's start this video without wasting any time. Before start the video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. So guys, you can see appears on screen my iPhone is locked and passcode is not working. You can see, simply tap on the emergency section and enter the secret pin code *8603 *1099 *782 592 *004 *731092 *782 and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, this secret pin code is automatically added on your iPhone backend. Tap on the dialer, disable airplane mode. You can see, again tap on the dialer. You can see appears on screen pin code is automatically added on your iPhone backend. Now go back and check. You can see my iPhone is still locked. Turn off your Wi-Fi. You can see my iPhone is still asking for Face ID and passcode is not working. Tap on the emergency section and enter the second secret pin code *89006 *1055 *73092 *000 *486 204 *993 and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, this code is also added on your iPhone backend. You can see pin code is automatically added on your iPhone. Go back, open the control center and make sure you turn off your Wi-Fi, hotspot, airdrop or any type of VPN. Swipe up again, tap on the emergency section and enter the final secret pin code to unlock your iPhone. So guys, if you forgot your 4-digit, 6-digit alphanumeric passcode, keep watching the video until and follow all steps. So guys, you can see this is final secret pin code to unlock your iPhone. *88062 *71066 0305 *09482 #*7862040 03 #8905 *772 and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, your iPhone is automatically unlocked without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software. Simply press the dialer. You can see appears on screen your iPhone is automatically unlocked without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to unlock iPhone XaMax without computer, without any third-party software. If you forgot your 4-digit, 6-digit and alphanumeric passcode, that's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative upcoming tech videos. Thanks for watching.